Essential road rules for beginners. Tom was 18 years old. He had recently obtained his driving license. He felt uncertain about the rules of the road. There were many signs and markings to understand. There were specific rules for every situation. The first rule was about the stop sign. A stop sign requires a complete stop. The vehicle must remain stationary behind the line. The driver must check both directions for traffic. Movement is allowed only when the road is clear. The second rule was about the yield sign. A yield sign instructs the driver to reduce speed. The driver must prepare to stop if necessary. Vehicles approaching from another road have priority. The driver may proceed only when it is safe. Tom learned about the right-of-way sign. A right-of-way sign indicates which road has priority. Drivers on the main road may continue without stopping. Drivers on the side road must yield to all traffic. Failing to yield can cause serious accidents. Traffic lights were the next rule to study. A red light means stop. A yellow light means prepare to stop. A green light allows the driver to proceed. Lights control the flow of vehicles at intersections. Tom learned how to approach an intersection. At uncontrolled intersections, the vehicle on the right has priority. If two vehicles arrive at the same time, the right-hand vehicle moves first. If one vehicle arrives first, it may proceed. Tom practiced the rules for roundabouts. At a roundabout, vehicles already inside have priority. The entering driver must wait for a safe gap. The driver must use indicators before exiting. Tom reviewed the rules for pedestrian crossings. Drivers must stop when pedestrians are waiting to cross. Pedestrians always have priority on marked crossings. The vehicle must remain stationary until the crossing is clear. Tom studied the importance of speed limit signs. Speed limit signs indicate the maximum legal speed. The driver must reduce speed in poor weather. The driver must slow down in dense traffic. Tom understood the rules for school zones. School zones require a reduced speed limit. Drivers must stay alert for children crossing. Safety is the highest priority in these areas. Tom approached a railway crossing. Flashing lights signal an approaching train. The driver must stop and wait until the lights stop. Crossing the tracks is only allowed when the way is clear. Tom learned about no parking signs. No parking signs prohibit stopping in marked areas. Vehicles must be parked only in designated spaces. Violating this rule may result in a fine or towing. Tom entered a construction zone. Construction zones require reduced speed and extra caution. Temporary signs and barriers must be obeyed. Workers and machinery may be present on the road. Tom completed his first training drive. He had followed all traffic rules correctly. Road signs and markings create order and safety. Every rule exists to prevent accidents. Knowing the rules reduces the risk of mistakes. Safe drivers follow rules at all times. Tom felt prepared to drive responsibly. From that day forward, he applied the rules with care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you even more speaking drills.